In this video, I'll show you how to connect Leadpages with ConvertKit in about 5 minutes, so your leads flow straight into your email list without manual work. Start inside your ConvertKit account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and open Account Settings. Here, find your API key and copy it. This key is what securely connects ConvertKit to other platforms. Next, open Leadpages and log in. From your dashboard, go to Settings and open the Integrations section. Look for ConvertKit in the list and click it. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the field provided, then click Connect. Once you see the confirmation message, your Leadpages and ConvertKit accounts are successfully linked. Now it's time to connect a landing page. Go back to your Leadpages dashboard and open an existing landing page or create a new one. Click on your email or opt-in form, then choose Edit Integrations. From the email service options, select ConvertKit. You'll now be able to choose the specific ConvertKit form or list where new subscribers should be added. Confirm the selection, make sure the integration shows as connected, and then publish your landing page. From this point on, anyone who signs up through that page will automatically be added to your chosen ConvertKit list. That's it. Your Leadpages and ConvertKit integration is live, helping you capture leads and grow your email list effortlessly.